Welcome pool enthusiasts today. We're diving into the ultimate guide to the top 5 best above-ground pools of 2024. Whether you're seeking a refreshing oasis or a fun-filled spot for the family, we've got you covered. Check the links in the description below to find your perfect pool. Don't forget to subscribe for more poolside delights. Let's make a splash into the world of above-ground pools, where relaxation and enjoyment meet convenience and quality. Starting our list at number 5 is the Intex Easy Set Pool. Dive into simplicity with its hassle-free setup and reliable durability. Perfect for quick family fun without the fuss. Create endless summer fun and beat the heat with the Intex 26175EH Easy Set 18 feet by 48-inch round inflatable outdoor backyard above-ground swimming pool set. This spacious pool, measuring 18 feet in diameter and 48 inches in height, is perfect for accommodating up to 8 people comfortably, making it a fantastic addition to any backyard oasis. Designed for convenience, the Easy Set Pool boasts a straightforward setup process on solid ground, featuring durable 3-ply construction that resists punctures, ensuring daily use without compromise. When filled to 80% capacity, it holds an impressive 5,455 gallons of water, providing ample space for refreshing aquatic enjoyment. Included in this set is the Intex Model 28635EG crystal clear filter pump, equipped with hydroaeration technology. This innovative pump enhances water circulation and filtration, resulting in crystal clear pool water by improving clarity and increasing negative ions at the water surface. The package also includes essential accessories such as filter cartridges, a pool ladder for safe entry and exit, a ground cloth for added protection, a debris cover to maintain cleanliness, and comprehensive instructions for easy maintenance and setup. Please note, it's advisable to review your HOA rules and regulations before purchasing this product, as not all housing agencies permit private above-ground pools. Transform your backyard into a refreshing retreat with this all-inclusive above-ground swimming pool set, offering hours of entertainment and relaxation for the whole family. Next up, at number 4, we have the Bestway Steel Pro Max. Dive into superior strength and stability. This pool stands tall against wear and tear while providing endless summer enjoyment. Dive into endless summer fun with the Bestway Steel Pro Max 15 feet by 42 inches above ground pool set, an outdoor family pool designed for enjoyment and relaxation throughout the season. Measuring 15 feet in diameter and 42 inches in height, this round above-ground pool offers ample space for everyone to swim and splash. The set includes a Model 58388E 1,000-gallon filter pump, ensuring clean and clear water for your enjoyment. Additionally, it comes with a convenient ladder for easy entry and exit, along with a pool cover for added protection when not in use. Crafted with a robust steel frame held together by the FrameLink system, this pool provides exceptional strength and stability, ensuring a durable and long-lasting structure. The DuraPlus Enhanced 3-Play PVC liner not only showcases an elegant design but also features a support band for added stability to the pool wall, enhancing its durability. Assembling and disassembling this pool is a breeze, facilitating simple off-season storage without the need for tools. Efficiently draining the pool water is made easy by connecting the hose to the flow control valve. Please note, it's advisable to review your HOA rules and restrictions before purchasing this product, as regulations concerning private above-ground pools may vary among housing agencies. Transform your outdoor space into a refreshing retreat with the Bestway Steel Pro Max, offering a perfect combination of durability, convenience, and family enjoyment. At number 3, the Intex Ultra Exterior Frame Rectangular Pool Set offers spacious elegance. Dive into luxury with its premium build and ample room for aquatic adventures. Discover the pinnacle of pool excellence with the Intex 26363EH 24-foot x 12-foot x 52 inches Ultra Exterior Pool Set, designed to redefine your swimming experience. This rectangular pool, measuring 24 feet in length, 12 feet in width, and 52 inches in height, offers an impressive capacity of 8,403 gallons, providing an expansive aquatic space for endless summer fun. Experience the difference with its uniquely engineered frame, combining high-quality galvanized steel and a precision locking system. This design not only enhances overall quality but also elevates durability and stability. For added peace of mind, a 2-year warranty is included. Assembling this pool is a breeze, ready for water in just 60 minutes. The Ultra Exterior Pool features an easy lock system, allowing frame components to snap together effortlessly without the need for locking pins or additional tools. Rust resistance is a priority with inner and outer powder coating, ensuring ultimate protection against corrosion. Engineered T-joints fortified with UV inhibitors enhance strength and weather resistance, promising a long service life. Crafted from puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, this pool stands strong against summer wear and tear. Included is a patch for easy fixes in case of any damage, ensuring durability for lasting enjoyment. The crystal clear sand filter pump, #26645EG, provides exceptional water filtration, offering 6 function control valve options for optimal maintenance: filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system. Completing this exceptional set is a removable ladder with a coated steel frame to prevent rust, featuring high-impact steps for easy access. Additionally, a pool cover keeps debris out, while a ground cloth offers added protection to your pool. Elevate your swimming experience with the Intex Ultra XTR pool set, promising premium quality, durability, and endless hours of aquatic delight. Taking the spotlight at number 2 is the Summer Waves Elite. Dive into sheer sophistication and innovation. This pool blends style, functionality, and a touch of luxury. Transform your backyard into an aquatic haven with the Summer Waves 20 by 4 foot outdoor round frame above ground swimming pool set. This inviting pool, boasting a capacity of 8,241 gallons, offers a spacious retreat for a family of 4 or 4 children to revel in water-filled fun. Crafted for durability, the pool features a rust-proof galvanized steel frame, ensuring resilience against heavy use in various weather elements. Its construction, comprising triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material, facilitates quick assembly with a snap-in design, ready for water in as little as 60 minutes. Included in this comprehensive set is the Model S FX 1500 Skimmer Plus 110/120V, a 1,500-gallon filter pump system that ensures pristine water quality. Additionally, the set includes a pool cover for protection, a ladder for easy access, a ground cloth for added safeguarding, and a deluxe maintenance kit for pool upkeep. The pool's classy dark herringbone gray wicker print exterior complements backyard and patio decor, blending seamlessly with your outdoor aesthetics. Recommended for ages 6 and above, this round pool provides ample space for splashing and enjoyment while offering a welcoming and private environment for backyard aquatic adventures. Experience endless summer joy and create lasting memories with the Summer Waves 20 by 4 foot above ground swimming pool set, designed for comfort, durability, and family fun. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe Round Pool Set. Dive into the epitome of above-ground pool excellence. It's a true testament to quality, durability, and family fun. Immerse yourself in the ultimate aquatic experience with the Intex 26329H Ultra XTR Deluxe Above Ground Swimming Pool Set. This round pool, measuring 18 feet in diameter and 52 inches in height, offers a generous capacity of 6,981 gallons, creating an expansive space for refreshing summer enjoyment. Experience the extraordinary with its uniquely designed frame, fusing high-quality galvanized steel with a precision-engineered locking system, ensuring unparalleled quality, durability, and stability. For added peace of mind, a 2-year warranty is included, making it an ideal choice for ages 6 and above. Assembling this pool is a breeze, ready for water in just 60 minutes. The Ultra XTR pools feature an easy lock system, allowing frame components to effortlessly snap together without requiring locking pins or additional tools. Rust resistance is prioritized with inner and outer powder coating, ensuring ultimate protection against corrosion. Engineered T-joints, infused with UV inhibitors, enhance strength and weather resistance, promising a long service life. Constructed from puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, this pool withstands the wear and tear of summer fun. Additionally, a patch is included for easy fixes in case of any damage, ensuring lasting durability. The included crystal clear sand filter pump, #26645EG, delivers excellent water filtration, offering a 6-function control valve for easy maintenance: filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system. The Ultra XTR pool set comes complete with a removable ladder featuring a coated steel frame to prevent rust, high-impact steps for easy access, a pool cover to keep debris out, and a ground cloth for added protection. Elevate your pool experience and indulge in the refreshing luxury of the Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe Above Ground Swimming Pool Set, promising premium quality, durability, and crystal clear aquatic enjoyment. There you have it, The top 5 best above-ground pools of 2024, each offering something special for your summer escapades. Check the links in the description below to find your perfect pool. Don't forget to subscribe for more poolside delights. Until next time, stay cool and make a splash. Dive deeper by checking the links below. Subscribe for more aquatic adventures. See you poolside.